In this video we're looking at answering the question, how do we smash the advertising case? The approach we're taking is not to look at some kind of incremental improvement to the way we handle search engines or the way we create our own websites. It's what's called a paradigm shift, changing the focus entirely, or what in the business community was called business process re-engineering, looking at a business process and saying let's start from scratch and see what's actually required, what would be the ideal scenario, not what we're doing now, what would be ideal. And that's the approach that we have taken. So it ends up we need only answer two questions. What is it that our customers want? And what is it that we as businesses want to be able to communicate with our potential customers? The obvious answer is to go back to what was successful in the past, and that was a marketplace. If you had something to sell, that's where you went to, because that's where all the customers would be. If you were looking to buy something, that's where you went to, because that's where you would find all the various suppliers. So that's the simple approach. Now, in terms of smashing the case, in terms of the content creation costs, there are a whole lot of tools that are either free or incredibly low cost that will allow us to create all the content we want. Tools like blogs, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, forums, Flickr, and so many others. And then in terms of the customer connection costs, there's no longer some huge cost in trying to get us all to find each other. We're actually all in the same place. So the cost is just simply a small fee that allows us to maintain and keep the site up to date. So the consequence costs are almost smashed, are almost obliterated, because we're a lot happier now doing the job that we want to do. And they've got the little child smiling there because it really is as simple as that. It's not any flash science. In the next video, we're answering the question, who are we? What makes us different in terms of the solution that we are providing?